2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from a group of 2 consisting of Devran Putra, Rio Saputra, Sarnika Cahyani Rahmanisa, Salva Salia, and Firda Alfika. Food safety. Food safety is a condition of the effort need to prevent food from the foreseeable contamination, namely biology, criminal, and the other object that can interfere, harm, and integrate human healthy and do not conflict with religion, belief, and community culture, so that it is safe for consumption. Procedure food production must comply with good produce process. Food manufacturing practice to ensure its quality and safety. In addition, food must be stable for consumption, namely not rotten, not disgusting, and of good quality and free from biology, criminal, and facial contamination. Firda Alfika.
Biological control. Biological contaminant found in food can be in the form of bacteria, mold, fungi, parasite, virus, and algae. The growth of this microbe can cause food to rot, so it is not fit to eat and cause poisoning in human and even death. One factor that make bacteria grow: high protein food, warm condition, or temperature 30 derajat until 60 derajat Celsius, moisture content, acidity level, strong time. 2. Ways to prevent biological contamination, namely but raw materials and food in a clean place, buy from a healthy and clean seller, choose cooked food, but buy food that is properly displayed, stored, and served. Consumption of food properly, packing is not damaged, not stale, or soft texture or odor does not defy such a sour or rot smell, and don't love to throw away food with a distorted taste. Lanjut, Devran.
B. Chemical contamination is a chemical that is not allowed to be used in food. Chemical contamination enter food intentionally or unintentionally and can cause danger. Natural poison, for example, mushroom poison, poisonous cassava, pufferfish poison, and natural poison in jengkol. Chemical contamination from the environment, for example, industrial waste, motor vehicle fumes, residual pesticides on fruits and vegetables, detergents spent on cooking, drinking, and eating utensils, and heavy metal. The use of food additive that exceeds the allowed dose, for example, artificial sweeteners, preservatives that excess the limit, use of hazardous substances that are prohibited in food, example, borax, formalin, rhodamine B, methanol yellow. How to prevent chemical contamination? Always choose good food for cooking or direct consumption. Wash vegetables and fruit thoroughly before processing or eating. Use clean water to handle and process food. Do not use additive, colorants, preservatives, age, which are prohibited from being used for food. Using food additive need as necessary and not exceeding the allowed dose. Do not use cooking utensils or containers that are coated with heavy metal. Do not use equipment or packaging that is not for food. Do not use packaging newsprint to wrap food. Do not do not styrofoam containers or crackle plastics non-food grade to contain food, especially ready-to-eat food that is hot, fatty, and acidic because there is a chance for transfer or chemical component from the container the food migration. Lanjut.
Salva Sasalia. Physical contamination are objects that shall not be in food, such as hard knives, staffel, deep inside steiner of rifle, and inside steiner of rifle, broken glass or glass, metal and other. These objects in ingestite can cause injuries, such as broken teeth, injuring the esophagus and stomach. The objects are dangerous because they can injure and or block the airway and digestion. How to prevent facial contamination? Pay close attention to the condition of the food to be consumed. 5K to food safety. 1K it clean to spiral food from cooked food. 3 cook properly. 4 keep food at safe temperature. 5 as safe water and raw material. Correct list of food, good packing, and why? And 1 packing in the good condition, not damage, letter of bullet. 2 food is not experience of spoiled. 3 already have a distribution from a number. Food production domestic. 1 introducing a clean and good work environment and workplace. 2 protect everyone from environmental factor that can cause distributor of facial and mental health. 3 prevent the emergency of various skin of infection diseases. 4 prevent accident and 5 ensure for safety. Rio Saputra.
Sanitarian objective in including 1 improve maintain and respond good health in Hampstead. 2 production activity can be maximized as well as 3 product in the are and health for and effect for as and can see this for homestay. They is the benefit for sanitary sanitian to life. Namely, present in virtue the eyes prophecy and activities professing and play. Tahu aku nih.
Oke, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.